Welcome to my advent calendar, day 18. Now we already got stuff coming out of it. So we got a snowflake, and these fell out of it too. Okay, let's see what they got for me. Oh boy. So we got a flash card and a playing card. We got a lot of Merry Christmases. I just dropped something. I don't know where that one went. A couple gnomes. A little charms. A button. Another button, but there's more to this button. So, a little gingerbread button and some bells and all these little Merry Christmases. So, let's see. We're going to use the little gnomes, of course. So we'll put one on there and one on the flash card. And let's pick some cutesy paper. See, I think I can make it work. Now let's do something where they pop a little bit. How about this one? There we go. Then make it pop. That makes it real pop. Alright. This is actually the candy cane. But I'm going to rip. I actually want to rip here, rip there, because I like the look of both of them. And I think I'm going to turn this over and go across dead center, like so. I should have made it a little wider, and I can. I'll just kind of go like this. Okay, and then put this, and then put this. Okay. Alright, where's my glue? Actually, before I glue, do something first. Oh, let me grab it. Let's go with green. I want green. Many days left? Can't believe next Tuesday's already Christmas Eve, and that's when I celebrate with the family. The kids will be coming over. Well, one kid's living at home anyways. So don't have to worry about him showing up. Goes my neighbor Paul. I can hear his car. He's probably off for his treatment. I'm gonna close that right away because it dries so quickly in that little stem. Okay. Which one do we have? I'm gonna put the purple one there. Okay. And then I'm going to put the little snowflake. I'm going to run right there. That one's gonna go there, but we're not done. Because I know I have a Merry Christmas right here. I started for another project. So I'm gonna actually go like that. Turn it a little bit like so. There we go. And I'm just gonna fold that over. Okay. There we go. Now, this one, I'm going to over like that. Oh, folded it too quick. I didn't get the glue here too fast enough. Okay. Oh, why is it coming out? Just a smidgen not covered, so I'm just gonna that. Okay. You can't be dry already. Whoop. Alright. Alright, I saw one more. And then alright, and there we go. So there it is. Day 18. Forgot what day it was on. Totally cuteness. I think they're cute. Those little gnomes. They're the little Dollar Tree stickers. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I will see you on day 19. Bye for now.